as Ukraine's drone army is on the hunt for Russian supply trucks. This drone operator spotted one as the sun was rising. The drone quickly turned around for a strike, diving in on the vehicle with the clueless driver, striking the cargo, which catches fires and burns down with everything in it. With more of Ukraine's drone army arriving later to make sure the vehicle is completely destroyed, but can instead focus on transportation vehicles that is meant for the driver. Not once but twice, making the strike even more successful as more equipment gets destroyed, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.